Master the English language using at which instead of when. Hello there. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic related to relative adverbs, at which, as an alternative to when. This usage is less common but is very useful, especially when you're dealing with more formal or written English. So, let's get started. Before we dive into at which, let's quickly revisit when. As you might already know, when is a relative adverb that connects a clause to a point in time. For example, I remember the day when I first met you. Here, when relates the time, the day, to the event, I first met you. Now, at which can be used in place of when, particularly in more formal or written English. At which links a point in time with an event, just like when. For instance, the earlier sentence could be rewritten as, I remember the day at which I first met you. The meaning is identical, but the tone is somewhat more formal. The phrase, at which, is especially useful when the antecedent of the relative clause is a formal or abstract noun like point, stage, or time. It adds an air of formality and precision. Consider the sentence. The point at which the two lines intersect is called the origin. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Consider the sentence, do you remember the year when we moved to New York? How would you rephrase this using at which? Think about it, and when you're ready, check the answer. Do you remember the year at which we moved to New York? And there you have it. A new, more formal way of connecting time and events using at which instead of when. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep trying to incorporate this into your English usage. Thanks for watching and happy learning.